When I was early on in my career, when people would ask what I do, I would explain that I did site design. They were kind of like, what's that? That means paying attention to how the sidewalk is placed, where the roadway interacts with the site. How does the drainage work? If your site's flooding, somebody's noticing that my job wasn't done right. We want to make sure that people, as silly as it sounds, don't notice what we did because it just works. One of the biggest challenges we're facing in the civil engineering industry is that things are moving very quickly. Design's moving fast, our clients want answers.
A lot of the problems they face are very complex and we need time to dive into those, but they want an answer yesterday a lot of times. So we're always just trying to keep up and find new ways to be able to give good, solid advice to our clients. For engineers, change is hard. Certainly in my career, a lot of things have changed and things that we're doing today would have felt very futuristic 20 years ago, but we've grown and we've adapted and we're gonna have to continue to grow because it's what our clients expect of us.
When it comes to the civil engineering industry, generative AI and AI can help by allowing us to automate things, iterate faster, analyze information. AI isn't the engineer, but it is a really good analyzer. It looks at that information, it pulls that information, and it can really process through things much faster.
The AI that's built into OpenSite Plus allows us to quickly get to some answers. It's a great tool for layout, and it really helps hone in on a lot of different variations in your design very quickly. If it's a parking lot, you can play with optimizing that for additional spaces or minimizing earthwork impacts, minimizing utilities or stormwater pipes. Having the ability to look at different things really allows us to hone in on what is the best option.
OpenSite Plus really serves as an all-in-one tool. It allows us to collaborate and keep all of the information together from stormwater to grading and the different components of the design. That way, when we're having these bigger conversations with clients or key stakeholders in the process, they can understand how all of it interacts with one another. And that way we can have better solutions, better answers, and really move a project a lot quicker, which is exactly what our clients want. We're able to ask questions to this assistant that lives in our plans, it lives in our files, and it lives in our design. OpenSite Plus allows us to visually see things in 3D. It's giving our stakeholders the ability to see the design and give us better feedback because they can actually see what their plans are going to look like, what the site is going to look like.
The other big expense for our projects is earthworks. Historically, we would do a preliminary grading plan and then maybe send that off to a consultant to get an earthworks analysis, and that would take maybe a week or two. Now we can test different site layouts, test different grading schemes, and get to that answer within hours. On a large site work construction project, there's a lot of diesel fuel burned to move dirt around. And so really being able to optimize that, if instead of moving 1 million yards of dirt, we can move 500,000 yards of dirt and still get to a great project, I think that's a big step forward. And being able to see this faster and get to a more optimized site really helps save our clients money and it helps be more sustainable.
Being able to use AI to augment the way we have done things in the past really does give us a leg up on our competition. It gives us a leg up for our clients.
They're making very big money decisions based on the advice that we're giving them. With OpenSite Plus, our clients are going to see increased speed and hopefully reduce construction cost.
OpenSite Plus is going to open a lot of doors for us to move faster, get better answers, and really be better engineers.